Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Legion Workforce Engagement app works and whether it's a reliable tool for employee scheduling, communication, and shift management in retail and service industries. The Legion Workforce Engagement app is designed to make shift planning and communication easier between managers and hourly employees. Once your employer sets it up, employees can view their schedules, pick up open shifts, request time off, and even trade shifts with coworkers all from their phones. The app sends real-time alerts, so you're notified immediately when shifts change or get approved. For managers, the app simplifies schedule creation using AI-driven forecasting to align labor needs with predicted customer demand. Managers can approve time off requests, monitor coverage gaps, and communicate directly with team members. It also provides performance metrics and engagement scores to help supervisors keep track of team productivity and morale. One of the app's standout features is its self-service flexibility. Employees can set their preferred availability, get reminders about upcoming shifts, and receive feedback on performance. Everything happens within the app, which helps reduce missed shifts and miscommunication. It also integrates payroll and compliance features, which help ensure everything runs smoothly in the background. However, some users say that depending on company settings, certain features like shift swapping or availability updates can be limited. Others have noted occasional syncing issues or slow loading times during peak usage. Overall, Legion offers a streamlined scheduling experience, but how well it works often depends on how the employer configures it. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.